Okay guys, so this one's all about processing your groups. Cool. So you get the idea. So basically if we look at this group here, and if we take it off, that's what we've got. So it's a lot more subby and a lot less texture. So we're just adding texture bit by bit. So we've got a bit of the amp, the overdrive, all stock plugins is, got a bit of the auto filter, and you might want to even mess with this sometimes, maybe create a bit of automation with it, and it just allows you to get a bit more texture and stuff, and a bit more movement into the whole thing. And there's loads of ways, so I've moved this one about here. This is with the volcano, so it's filtered down for this section, so it makes it more subby. And then these basses, that allows these basses to happen. Now these are has come out of these even more, and it's same again, amps and clippers. I think everything on this one's got a lot of clippers on it, and I'm just reducing the ceiling, so it's just reducing the peaks. Drums is looking a bit like this. And if you want these projects, I'm going to leave them in the link below. So you can see I've got the OTT on here, and I've got a bit of the I've got a symbol in here what's got the air on it from the air windows, and that's in the sample pack now. So let's have a listen. Just that one there, and it just adds that bit of glistening, just them extra harmonics. Now that's Air Windows free plugins. You can download that if you Google that, it's free. And got your standard drum and bass pattern, got the rims and the kicks from the sample pack, and these ghost rims here, classic D&B style. Got this real percussion that I recorded. Got some face plant hats all in the sample pack, and these brakes in the sample packs as well. Links below for these. The extra Perez bass that's in the sample pack. Cool, so all these basses are going to be in the presets as well. Links below, and I'm going to tell you about this sample pack. This is the latest sample pack I'm working on, and this is a preset also in the Serum February, and it's a really good sample pack, this one. So links below if you want these, and then just work on your mid bass groups and stuff, and your drum groups, just getting that extra bit of grit out of it and warmth. But I'm just gonna have a listen. So this one's getting dropped soon, so
now
some techno stuff.
Let me kill your blood clot!